Hello everyone! Again, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic surgeon, obesity resource person, and genetologist. Ang topic natin ngayon ay short lang. Ito ay tungkol sa benefits of walking and exercise. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong napaka-short na parang information na kapag tayo ay nag-exercise sa pamamagitan ng paglalakad or paggawa ng mga sports, we can have these effects in our body. Just by walking alone, in 2 minutes, when you start walking, your blood circulation improves. So, nagpapump yung blood ng heart mo ng much better, naglumalaki yung daanan o daluyan ng dugo, kaya lahat ng blood supply natin sa katawan ay gumagana ng mabuti at mas maganda ang kanilang effect sa ating body kasi nga every organs in the body gets enough blood supply. And then, after 5 minutes of walking or exercise, your mood starts to change for the better. Okay? Kung ikaw ay malungkot, kaya nag-away kayo mag-asawa, naglakad ka lang ng konti dyan, bigla nang gaganda yung mood mo. Makakalimutan mo na yung away ninyo mag-asawa kasi nga naglakad ka na for 5 minutes. Okay. Pag 10 minutes ka na naman naglalakad, or after exercise, when you exercise or walk for 10 minutes, your stress hormone starts to break down. What are these stress hormones? Yung cortisol. Yung cortisol steroid ito na lumalabas kapag tayo ay under stress. So, kapag ikaw ay nag-exercise o naglakad ng 10 minutes pa lang, bini-breakdown niya na yung cortisol para hindi ka na ma-stress. At 15 minutes after you started walking or after exercising, your blood sugar decreases. So, kung ikaw ay may diabetes, nagbe-benefit ka dito through walking and exercise. Kaya yung blood sugar mo at 15 minutes of walking and exercise, bumababa agad, which is very beneficial for your health. And then, at 30 minutes upon walking and or after exercise, your fat inside your body starts to burn up. So, na-use up mo yung fat, nawawala yung taba dun sa mga deposition niya sa abdominal area, sa butt area, sa arms, sa lahat ng parts ng body, even the heart, nag-start to burn. So, you decrease the fat content of your body at 30 minutes after you started walking or exercising. And then at 45 minutes after you start walking or exercising, your negative thoughts o yung pagiging negativity ng utak mo, yung lagi ka ng depression, lagi ka nag-iisip ng problema, nawawala ito, gumaganda din. So, nakakalimutan mo yung mga negative thoughts. Instead, you develop positive ideas and positive thoughts that will make you happy and more relaxed. And then, at 60 minutes after walking or after exercising, you increase your happy hormones. What are these happy hormones? Your dopamine. Pag nag-increase yung dopamine level mo, like for example, after having sex, nag-increase yung dopamine mo because of the exercise that you did, gumaganda ang pananaw mo sa buhay. At nawawala lahat ng problema mo, and you become happier, more satisfied, more relaxed, and you start thinking better. Okay? So, yan lang po masasabi ko. When you exercise or when you walk, just a few minutes after starting it, you develop improvement in all the systems of your body, including your brain and your moods. Okay? So for any questions, just get in touch with me through my numbers, and please like and share my account.